This is an IS20 turbocharger, similar entry as the IS38 turbocharger. And this is the turbo inlet pipe that attaches to it, which at times can be a little bit challenging, so just going to walk through how you might want to align these parts when you're installing them. So the trick, or the challenge comes, especially with the stock one, is that this back tab is pretty long, and it's got to go into these slots here. So when you're installing it, this part here, you just line up with that, or get eventually in line with that so that you can bolt it in and keep it in place. So when you're putting on this port, you're probably thinking, well, I don't want it to be blocking that, so I want to move it over here. But by that point, this tab over here is already engaged. So in order to get this to work, I suggest you put this port right over this tab, and on this side here, the tab will be up against the compressor housing inlet, flush up against it, and then hold it flush up against that as you turn. So as this port starts to get past the tab and start to slide down, the rest of the inlet can go flush with the compressor's housing. And you see there it's flush all around. And then when you turn this at that point, it goes in where it should be. So hopefully that'll help somebody else out.